Hello everyone and welcome to another video. My name is Sachin Mandal from Isuremedia and in this video I will explain how you can send proposal and estimate automatically. This is the third part of proposal and estimate video. If you haven't checked the first and second part yet, do check it out. So let's start. So we are in a test account. Just click on payments, proposal and estimate. So, in order to send proposal and estimate, for example, whenever a client is logged in, they submit a particular form, they have been added a tag, or even when we change the pipeline stage to send agreement. So, in order to do so, we need to create the template of proposal or estimate. If we click on the top of proposal and template, we can see there is an option called templates. If you open it up, click on this blue button which says new, and now we have to create the template of our proposal or estimate that we want to send to the client. So let's name this as test template. We'll add the content, template, any other content, any image, whatever we you need to add, you can add, and at last we will add the signature field. Once we are done with the editing, we can just simply save this, go back. Now go to automation, click on workflow, click on create new workflow, click on start from scratch. Now rename this, I will rename this as estimate proposal. Now, as I mentioned earlier, trigger can be any of the action that you want. So I will take the trigger as form submit, and after clicking add filter, you can select the specific form, but I'm only using form submit trigger. Let me quickly allow re-entry, make it publish. Now you have to add the action called send proposal and estimate. Select the from user. In this case I will select myself, and here you will see all the list of template that you have created. I will select the test template, hit save, publish. I will hit save. Now let me just quickly submit a form. Sites form, open this form, integrate. Once I hit save or submit this form and open up my Gmail and refresh it, we can see that I have received the proposal inside my email. Let me just open it up and show you. So this is the template that we have created. Once I will sign this template, I will receive the copy of it inside my Gmail. So I hope you understand how the automatic proposal and estimate sending work. Thank you.